you. My family and I are very sorry. I know we treated you badly, but please, I am begging you. Please just forgive us. Biko. Please. Please. Okay, Biko. Please.
Stand up. Stand up, stand up. I forgive you. I forgive all of you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll just go out there and bring them in.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.